guys, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to share with you guys my morning or AM skincare routine. So I've been wanting to start my YouTube journey for a very long time now, but I'd never did it for a million different reasons. But I'm glad that I'm starting it now. So I hope you enjoy my videos and give me suggestions regarding any other videos that you would like me to do. And let's get started with today's video. So that's a before shot for you guys. And I'm starting by tying my hair back, just something that I would do on a daily basis. Let's skip that. Now I actually forgot to tell you guys that I have a combination to dry skin type, so let's keep that in mind. So we're starting off with the Biotique Bio White Advanced Fairness Face Wash. I do not want to emphasize on the fairness factor of it since I use it as a hydrating cleanser. It has a gel-like consistency, as you can see. It does not froth a lot but leaves your skin feeling really fresh and hydrated. Now Biotique as a brand has worked really great for my skin and I have been using it for years now, but I've also heard that it does not work for certain people. Now skincare is super subjective, so keep that in mind. Now for face wash, a tip that I can give you here is to go really light-handed and just massage the product into the skin. Back in the day, I used to go really aggressively on my skin. I don't know for what reason, but I don't do it anymore. So I just use the face wash and massage it into my skin for a whole 1 minute. So also do that. Do your face cleansing routine very patiently and very light-handedly. Now another tip here is to pat dry your face with a towel and not drag the towel across your face. I've seen a lot of people doing it, so try to avoid doing that. That's me showing you how clumsy I am. Now that's how my skin looks, really fresh. So we're going on to the toner. So this is from Good Vibes and it is the Rose Glow Toner. This is a relatively new find, but it works great on my skin. It has a really mild and fine mist, and that's what I'm trying to show to you guys here. And that's what I love about this product. I think it is really refreshing, really mild on the skin. Rose water is something that you should definitely include in your routine. Toner is the best way to do it, and rose water toners are really great for dry skin types because it actually hydrates your skin and gives a subtle glow to the skin. So for the moisturizer, this is from the PhytoRx range from Lotus and it is the Deep Moisturizing Creme. This is a moisturizer that I swear by and I have been using for years now. It is also the one that I showed in my very first YouTube video 2 years ago. And I haven't found a better moisturizer to replace this with. It is a beautiful whipped kind of a texture, so it is great for dry skin people. I'm not so sure about oily skin people, but you can still give it a try. Even on the days when I use other skincare products, I always reach out to this moisturizer because it just quenches the thirst in my skin. It packs in a lot of hydration into the skin, also a lot of glow, but it also helps in the skin problems in the long run, such as hyperpigmentation. It has definitely improved my skin texture as well. So definitely give this a try if you are in search of a good moisturizer. Do not forget to apply your moisturizer on your neck as well. Give it the care and attention that it needs. Sorry guys for leaving you in between, but I just wanted to grab some water and also emphasize here that I drink ample amount of water because hydration also needs to be done from within. So the next product in my routine is Witch Hazel and it is from the brand Bliss of Earth. So this was actually sent to me in a PR package, but I ended up loving it and I have been using it ever since. This has a really light texture, almost water-like, and I use it as a spot treatment. Witch Hazel is a natural astringent and helps with a lot of skin problems. I use it on my acne scars or any inflammation on my skin to just soothe down the skin and also dry out any active acne. This is not something that I use daily necessarily. I use it whenever I feel I need it. You can get Witch Hazel from a lot of brands. If I can find some good ones, I'm going to link it down below.
Now moving on to sunscreen, which is the most important part of any morning routine, I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. Now this is a beautiful sunscreen and it blends into your skin like a dream. I have used numerous sunscreens, but this is the best one till date. Now for sunscreens, I read somewhere that you're supposed to use the 2-finger rule. This basically gives you a guide that you're using an ample amount of sunscreen to cover your entire face. So do not go conjuice on the sunscreen because it is protecting your skin. Since the past year, I have been trying to be really regular about my sunscreen because I read about the harmful effects of not using it. So wear your sunscreen even when you're not stepping out of your door. This Neutrogena sunscreen even adds a little bit of glow to the skin at the end, and I absolutely love it. So for the last step of my routine, I have to take care of my lips, and I'm using the cult favorite Baby Lips from Maybelline. This is in the shade Cherry Kiss and it is a beautiful pinkish kind of a shade. There are so many different variants and so many different shades from Baby Lips that you can try from. And lip balm is something that I'm actually not very particular about. I keep switching between a lot of lip balms, but I make sure that my lip balm is really hydrating and also long lasting. So that's about it. So guys, that's how my skin looks after my skincare routine, and this is a very affordable and very simple routine that I've made for myself that I stick to on most days when I'm not experimenting with skincare. I think I've had a lot of hits and misses in my skincare journey, but I've come to a point now where I now understand my skin a little bit more than I did some years back. Now this is an extra tip that I'm giving you here. When I am heading out of my door with just skincare on, or when I want to look a little bit more presentable, I actually just use my fingers and roll my lashes a little bit up so that my eyes look a little more open. And well, that's something that you can do if you just like to do skincare and are not a makeup fanatic. I'm always open to suggestions regarding changes to make in my routine, and if you have any other product recommendations, then let me know. This is a quick after shot of how my skin looks.
So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. That will mean a lot to me. If you have any other queries regarding this video or suggestions for future video, then let me know in the comment section below. Have a great day. Bye bye.